Introducing the Samsung Bluetooth connected rim lock, the SHP-DS705. With a small and traditional design, this product is easy to install and use. The SHP-DS705 is our entry-level Bluetooth connected lock. This allows you to unlock your door via the free smartphone application, receive real-time arrival notifications, and view a history log of up to 30 entries, including an optional ability to lock your door automatically once the door shuts. Features a random security code to stop intruders from guessing your PIN code, and a long battery life with an expectancy of 12 to 24 months, averaging 10 users a day, and a 30% battery warning. If the batteries do go flat, you can easily power up the lock with a 9-volt battery. Entry options include 8 mobile phones, 20 key tags, 2 included, the provided warranty access card, and 1 master PIN code. The SHP-DS705 is a DIY-friendly lock, meaning it is easily retrofitable onto an existing rim lock. Installation requirements include a 35 to 55 mm door thickness, a back set of 70 mm, and a minimum lock stile of 140 mm. The Samsung digital door locks all come with a 2-year electronic and 7-year mechanical warranty, with a lifetime support line with our expert engineers. Welcome to the future of door hardware. Welcome to the Samsung digital door locks.